have a wet brush. What is that? Take a picture of it.
Let me see you do.
What you got?
Yeah, brush it.
Yeah.
Go on the other side.
Not that hard to get.
Okay. Do you know how to brush it? You gotta brush it down like the fur goes. Brush down. See that? Like that? Yeah. Stop feeding the goat rocks. You're feeding him rocks. It's a goat. It's not a doggy. Let's go towards your sister.